So TCL announced a new budget smartphone called the TCL 505. It's a budget phone with impressive specifications. The device is expected to be sold for just $200. Anyway, in this video, we'll explore the top features of the TCL 505. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech and smartphone updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the TCL 505 weighs just 190 grams and it is 8.39mm thick, which means the device is not just lightweight, it's also very thin. The device is offered in ocean blue and space gray colorways. At the back of the phone is a camera module that contains two cameras and a flash. The phone has a 6.75-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and the max brightness is 400 nits. Also, the device is powered by the Helio G36, which means the device cannot handle intensive tasks properly, including playing graphics intensive games available on Play Store. The phone also shipped with the Android 14, the latest Android 14, which is very nice. And the device packs a 5010 mAh battery, basically 5000 mAh battery, and it supports just 10 watts charging. So as mentioned earlier, the phone features a dual rear camera setup, and they consist of a 50MP primary sensor with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth camera. The front-facing camera is 5MP. The device is capable of recording up to 1080p videos at 30fps. That's for the rear camera. And the camera features includes bokeh mode, HDR mode, panorama, AI scene detection, face beauty, and so on. The device utilizes 4GB RAM and it supports up to 4GB virtual RAM expansion, and it has a 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 512GB via micro SD card. So other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 5.1. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very nice. It supports NFC. It comes in two models, so it has a dual SIM model and a single SIM model. The max connectivity is obviously 4G. It doesn't support 5G. The device has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is embedded on the device's power button, and it supports face unlock. So these are the top features of the TCL 505. It's a very cheap device. It is expected to be sold for, I don't know, up to $200. You can check it out if you want. So what are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.